Hi everybody! Today I'm heading back over to the Homestead site that's just over there, about a quarter mile from the house. And it's on the 1913 map, but I do not know when they settled here. This person owned 160 acres and he sold out to I think my grandparents, maybe the original landowner, and had a house and other buildings over here. And I have dug here a couple times before, so let's check it out. A little update from my other videos. See that fence line over there? Apparently that fence line long ago came straight over this way, so the landowner's house would have been on this side of the road out here in the field. And then Dad said there was a hole over here, some kind of hole that was always there that we actually threw trash in back in the day, and then he covered it so it's just a flat piece of ground right there. So that meant he didn't know what the hole was for, because apparently it was on the other side of the fence from this landowner. So that's interesting. Now last time, or one of the times I was here before, I found some stuff over here, so I want to check over here and then maybe out in the field behind me. So I don't know how long I will last today because it is only 40 degrees. Yes, winter has come. I know, it's sad, but the leaves have not all turned yet. All right, my first signal was this piece of wire. Let's see what else we can find. All right, you got a nice piece of barbed wire here. Dun, da, da, dum. Well, I've been foiled. This foil probably blew over from the dump, I'm assuming. Oh boy. All right, I just got this big signal and I dug up something. Wonder what it is. See if I can clean it up a little. All right, so I think it's some sort of like wheel thing from a piece of machinery. That's my guess. Real heavy. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, got a surface find here. Piece of an old can, I guess. Well, I just found this pretty rock poking through the soil. Cool. Well, I just dug up this thing. It has a pointy end, sort of like a nail. Pretty shallow. Okay, wonder what it was used for. Well, I got another metal piece. It was shallow, so I dug the iron. Interesting. Well, I just dug up a bullet shell, and I'm not sure what kind this is, or how old it might be. Just a couple inches deep. All right. Well, I just dug this up. It's like a metal rim with some nails. Wonder what that is. And right next to it, you can see a place where a deer laid down. Well, I finally found a little relic here in this hole from an old oil lamp. And I don't have my glasses. I can't tell what it says right there. Maybe you can see it. We'll check it later. All right. This is kind of the spot where I found some stuff before, so maybe a little trash area. Well, I got a little piece of wire here, but it's kind of wrapped around, kind of interesting. Got another can piece. Woohoo! Well, I got a bolt. Well, I got a bigger can this time. Found this thing. To me, it looks like leather with a metal thing like there. So I think it's part of a boot. What do you think? That's my guess. Well, I found another one of these, but it looks like it snapped off. And I think we will head in now. It is getting cloudier and chillier out here, and I need to go warm up. Wonder what the temperature is now. Well, it was fun looking for stuff, and there's still a lot more to find. I think next time I'll go right over here in this flat area, see what I can get. Here's a bunch of the junk. Some of it I didn't show you, like a fence staple and some nails. And that's my best find for the day. More junk in there, can slaw. All right, see you next time. There is a flock of geese flying up there in V formation. There must be about 50 or 100 of them. I could just barely hear them. I thought, are there coyotes? Pretty far up. I don't know if you can see it on here. They're kind of flying southeast. Kitties say, we like that rain we got the past 2 days. 32 the first day and 10 last night. We have a puddle. They like drinking that fresh rainwater. We're at Shears Falls today. Those platforms are for the Native Americans to fish with a net. Across the road are the petroglyphs. We are at Boxcar Rapids, a popular rafting spot.